Hello friends, how are you? I hope all is okay. I am Salandgor. Today I am going to show you how to use zoom command. Okay friends? So basically we can use zoom command by use of three ways. First is middle mouse button. Second is by use of command promote. Third one is by use of navigation toolbar. Okay friend, so now I'm going to use first method, which one is by use of middle mouse button. In this method, when we will scroll down that button front side or forward side, then the drawing sheet will be zoomed out wherever the cursor will be available at the same position, and like this the zoom out. And when we will scroll down of middle mouse button, yeah, back side or backward, so like this it will be zoom in, then the drawing sheet will be zoomed in wherever cursor will be available. Okay, at the same position it will be moved out and in. And now no need to exit this command because we didn't apply by use of keyboard and any keys. Okay friend, we use only simply by middle mouse button. So we will not exit at this command, so we will use only scroll down, and whenever we need which side we will use it. Okay friends, and now we will use command promote and right click of drawing sheet. Okay friends, so first of use command promote, we have to type Z in the command bar and command section bar and enter. So let's type it Z and enter. Okay friends, there are many options within zoom commands like as all, center, dynamic, extend, previous, scale, windows and object. And most important thing, that all commands like all, centers, dynamic, extend and all extra, that all will work at the real time. Okay, so and the cursor has been took with a magnifying glass. Okay friends, we can start now as per first option as a all. So in this option, whenever we apply that command at the time, it shows everything we made at drawing on the screen on one time like this. So we will press this all, and then everything will come like this one and this object and all object whenever I made of this drawing sheet, all is available on the screen. Okay friends, now we will use second option, zoom in center. So again we will type Z plus enter and C plus enter. Now it will ask, after that applying this, the select the first corner of this object which one we have to zoom in. So again we will select the corner, and then it will be asked the second opposite corner of this object, and it will be zoom in. So I will select like this and the second corner, and it will automatically zoom in at the window, same like last previous command. Okay friends, so now again we use dynamic option. First question is how to apply this option. So we will go command promote bar and type Z, enter, and D, enter. And now you can see here the cursor has a square box, which one is asking the first corner of this window, and yeah, enter a scale factor. Okay, so we will tell like this, I will give this corner and that, and now he is asking the second corner, second opposite corner of this, which one we have to the zoom in with this dynamic command. So I will click like this, and then enter, and then enter. So you can see here it will automatically zoom in is as a dynamically. Okay friends, now we will go with extends option. So same, we can apply this option also. Type in command promote z plus enter and e plus enter. So whenever we will apply this option also, it will show same like all option. So all option means it will show everything in one portion on the window. Whenever you are make a big drawing, you can see here it will be shows everything in one position. Okay friends, now we will use previous option. So for applying this command, we have to type again in the command bar z plus enter, and now p plus enter. It will showing the previous command which one we use the zoom, which one we have to use previous command, just like extend we use last command extend command. So it will show last area. Okay friends, now scale option. So we will type in command bar z enter and s enter. Okay, so here it is asking the enter a scale factor. Yeah, enter a selected area. So I selected like this, and if it will be as like we can horizontal also, we can give the inclined also. So I will give for him inclined for opposite corner like this. So I will click here. See, it will be zoom it. Okay friends, by the scale option. Okay friends, now window option. For use of window option, we will type in command bar z enter and w enter, and now we will see here the magnify glass will come, and we have to give specify first corner like this and the second corner. So it will make a square. You can see here it is a making a square. So we have to select the object in this area, and now it automatically zoom in. Okay friends, by use of window option. Now I will go back Z enter A enter for all of the object showing. Now object option. For using this command, we have to type in command bar Z enter and O enter, and first specify the object corner like this, and specify the second corner of the object and enter, and then object and enter. So it will be automatically zoom in of this object which one we selected. Okay friends, that all option works at the real time. Okay friends, so now again I will go type z enter a enter for all objects. Now we will learn the zoom command by the drawing sheet. So how will we learn? We will click right click of mouse, and we will go zoom option, and the cursor will change in magnify glass. So how will we use it? We will use any object. We will take this magnify glass any object and scroll down, yeah, backward and front side with zoom command middle mouse button. Okay friends, like this, and we can use it. And for exit of all commands, we will press escape key. Yeah, we will press right click of the mouse and exit. Okay friends, now we will learn zoom command with the navigation toolbar. And where is the navigation toolbar? Navigation toolbar is here. So from applying this command, we have to left click of this mouse, and use it. And in this option we can zoom extend so to display the maximum extent of all objects like this. Okay friends, so I hope you like this video, and if you like this video then please like and comment and subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you friends.